This video we are going to go find some undiscovered kind of hidden waterfalls that we heard about in Valencia, and the name of those falls are
Cayucan Falls.
Alright, so it's about 17 kilometers from here, so we'll take you along for the journey. Let's go. And we spotted this little bridge down here, and we're gonna go check it out. Let me see if I can show you in the background, but there's the stairs and there's the bridge behind me. Yeah, there it is. So we're gonna go check it out and we'll do some video while we're doing it. So here we are. Here's a nice river.
Yeah, it's so exciting.
Look at this bridge. This bridge is crazy. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, this thing is moving around a lot, really making me nervous here. My God, it's just made out of like these bamboo things, and it doesn't even.
What's your step?
It doesn't even look sturdy, and there's like a lot of spots with holes.
Oh my God.
This thing is crazy. Oh my God, it's really moving around. Yeah, she's telling me there's places with holes. Look at this. And then there's other spots that are just missing the plank altogether. Oh, look at this here. Big hole while you're walking. This is really making me nervous. I'm definitely holding on. She made it. She made it. Okay. So this goes to like this little village back here. But we made it across, and then we'll go back across. We made it. So I don't know what's over here. It just looks like apparently some people live over here. Starting to rain? Yeah. Yeah. So we're starting to feel a little bit of rain here. So we're going to go check out the Japanese shrine here in Valencia, Negros Oriental.
Yeah.
You can see it behind us here. We'll go do some video and check it out.